Hey everyone, what's up? On this episode of Good Tech Cheap, we're going to do a little DIY that is do-it-yourself with the Mophorn home button kit. Here we go. Hello everybody, what's up, and welcome to this episode of Good Tech Cheap. I'm your host Kevin, asking you to do me just a little bit of a favor here. If you like this video, please give it a like. If you like videos about Good Tech Cheap, hit that subscribe button, and also remember to turn on that notification bell so you know when we drop another episode of Good Tech Cheap. Alright, so today we have the Mophorn button maker. This is a button making machine. Alright, we have us. These are shirt pins. And we got a great big bag of them. Very neat, very neat. Oh, and these are where you put your designs, and then when you press them, I see they press into the shirt pins. And just to be sure we know how to do it, there's the press mechanism. Here's the user manual. This is part of the process between what you actually pen and what the label is, so we'll handle that in just a moment too. We have machinery. A base plate, right? See what this is in just a moment. Here are the tools, the Allen wrenches and screws and washers that we're going to use to assemble the machine itself. Very cool. I think it goes like this. Oh, and we have some extra blades right here. Oh, and here are the mechanisms that we actually put everything in. It goes in here. And now I'm going to get this all put together and we'll do a demonstration of a button. It has a 1-inch, 25mm aluminum frame, a 500 parts circle cutter. The project parameters are very straightforward. The diameter is 25mm. The operation way, manual. The speed, 200 to 300 PCS per hour. The material is cast iron. The injection color, red. The Mophorn button maker is premium quality. The button maker is made of high quality materials, full heavy metal structure. It features a solid base and excellent stability. It also sports an ergonomic handle. The ergonomics in the handle of the button maker machine offer a comfortable grip. It can save more effort and improve your efficiency. The Mophorn button maker also features an excellent sturdy base. The sturdy base of the button press allows you to interchange dies more accurately. It's smooth and easy to install. You can also use your Mophorn button maker for multiple applications. This button maker machine is excellent for pin buttons, rope ties, keychains, bottle openers, etc. It's widely used to create homemade buttons for political campaigns or sporting events. And there you have it, the Mophorn button maker button making machine. For more information on how to purchase, please click on that link in the description below. I'd like to thank Mophorn for sponsoring this video and sending us the button maker so we could unbox it, review it, and share it with all of you out there. If you like this video, can you please give it a like? Also, if you like these videos, hit subscribe and turn on that notification bell so you know when we drop more episodes of Good Tech Cheap. From Los Angeles, California, I've been your host Kevin. Thanks so much for watching. Stay safe, be kind, and I'll see you next time.